This is Slate with Active Wall, and we're here at Smith Mountain Lake, Virginia, where we've just installed a 5-panel unit. It's about 14.5 feet wide, a little over 8.5 feet tall. This unit is actually on an indoor pool house, so we went with our poolside coastal finish that will protect powder coat from the chlorine in the swimming pool, and it opens up to the wonderful view of the lake.
My wife and I are currently in the process of renovating our home, and one of the renovations that we're really enjoying is our Active Wall door system. As you can see, it opens up into our indoor pool area and then out onto a patio. And with this system, we're able to open the whole space up, or in certain times of weather, we can close it all back up.
This is a floor-mounted unit which uses running posts to support 90% of the unit's weight. This is a configuration we use on some of our larger systems.
Very easy to operate. Doors are built very heavy duty. You can tell by the weight that they're substantial doors, and I think we're going to be enjoying this for many years to come.
Active Wall folding doors are available for both commercial and residential use. We ship nationwide, and we would love to build a custom door for you. Click the link in our bio for a free quote.